Hi folks, my name's Dennis Turpin. I'm the owner of TPC Log Home Restoration. We're here today on this log home, just going over explaining to you on the restoration of one. This house here, it has not been stained for quite a few years, which you can tell. It's basically no stain left on the logs. We got a couple of options we can do on this log home. You can either media blast it or you can simply pressure clean it. What we recommend with the pressure cleaning is to make sure that whatever stain you use, that you follow the stain manufacturer's recommendations on the cleaning. The product we're going to be using on this today for us to cleaner, it's a great product from Permachink. It's called Wood Renew. What we'll do is come in and spray the logs down first. We let the Wood Renew set for a few minutes to do its work, agitate it if we need to with scrub brushes, and then we come back and just lightly pressure wash it off. That will remove any of the graying and the weathering of the UV damage, anything like that to the logs. Once we're done with the cleaning of the log home, we usually like for them to set about 3 to 5 days to dry out properly. Most stains recommend 18% or less moisture content in the logs before you apply the stain. This log home here, the homeowner would like for us to caulk the logs as well. So we definitely need to clean the logs before we do the caulking. And the reason is that once you get all the dust and the pollen and the dirt accumulation on the logs, if you try to caulk it, the caulk will not bond properly to the log. So that's why it's so important to clean the logs and have a good dry bare surface before you do the caulking. So we're going to do a little bit of a time lapse on this side here to show the cleaning process of it, and then we'll get back with you as the stages go. We'll do the caulking after the logs have dried, then we'll go on to the staining, and we hope you enjoy the video. Thank you. Okay folks, you can see through the time-lapse video, we sprayed the cleaner on, which was from Permachink, the Wood Renew, and you can tell what a difference it's made in it. What we do when we clean them, we start with the cleaning chemical, spray it from the bottom to the top. That keeps it from putting any streaks in the logs. Then what we do, what you can see again from the time-lapse video, is that we start washing it from the top to the bottom. Once it's been completely cleaned, which you can see, we let it dry out. We let it dry to get that moisture content down to 18% or less in order to apply the stain. So once it's dried out, we'll come back and do the caulking, and then we'll apply the stain afterwards. Now another thing with the pressure cleaning is, which the homeowner is here, we always recommend when you pressure clean one is to have somebody on the inside. The reason is that most of the time you're going to have at least a few leaks on a log home. So you want to make sure somebody's inside to clean up the leaks as you go. It's not that you use a lot of pressure from the pressure washer. The cleaning chemical is what does all the cleaning. Basically the washer, you're using that to remove the cleaning chemical. So this is where we're at on this now. So stay tuned for the rest of the videos, and we'll start the caulking once the logs have dried. Thank you.